Hey Jewelry Divas. So today we are making a very easy wire wrapped stone gemstone charm necklace. Okay. So if you are just meeting me for the first time, hi, I'm Angela of Earrings by Angela, and I want to get started. You can view our other videos for other free tutorials, and you guys make sure you like and subscribe this video, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss another tutorial. I gotta say all that because I'll forget. Okay, so here's what you need today. We're gonna use 22 gauge wire, and this is a mixed metal, you guys, because sometimes we want to break the rules and live outside of the box. So I'm mixing gold and antique because that's how I roll today, and you can roll too. We have a head pin. So if you've never used a head pin, the bottom kind of looks like a nail. Okay. You see that? Yep. I want to make sure you can see that flat part. So to me, because I love to read and everything, I associate that with a period, which means stop. You can't add any more to it. It's done. It's finished. It's complete. Okay. We have a quartz gemstone, which I found this to be really cute because it's colorful. It reminds me kind of Punky Brewster. If you don't know who that is, Google it. That means I was born in the 70s and I enjoyed Punky Brewster, aka Soleil Moon Frye, in the 80s. Okay. Remember her best friend was Cherry and she had those headbands? Tell me in the comments if you know who the hell I'm talking about because I love that show. Okay, so a little bit about the quartz. A quartz is a gemstone that activates all of your chakras, right? I like to give a little bit of background. Okay, it activates your chakras, and so this is a howlite gemstone. So with these two together, um, the quartz crystal is actually going to enhance the natural healing powers of the howlite. So, what is the howlite gemstone? It is the stone of patience and it helps you to become more calm. So, if you have a very overactive mind, and sometimes we do, put it under your pillow before you go to bed so it can kind of calm you down a little bit. Okay, so that's just a little bit about that. If you want to learn more about the chakras and the gemstones themselves, we have other videos and I have a couple pop-up workshops. Okay, and I'll put those links in the comments. So without further ado, let's get started because I'm gonna show you. It's totally easy. But I want to tell you something. None of this is gonna happen without our squad. So make sure you have your wire cutters, your cleaners, which your flat nose, which I call the cleaners, which are also called chain nose pliers, but I like flat nose better. Actually, I like the cleaners because he's going to be cleaning up our messes, and our round nose pliers, which I call the alligator because boop, boop, it eats stuff. And you'll learn later on why I say that. So let's get started. What we're going to first do is we're going to wrap our wonderful quartz gemstone. Okay. Love that. Love that. So, because we're working with wonderful energies here, we're going to warm the wire by straightening it out with the warmth of our fingers. Okay. Putting our energy into it. You're going to find the hole, duh, and thread that bead onto there. Now, what I want you to do is leave a little bit on this side. Bend it upwards like you're raising your arms, like, what up? And then you're going to cross over to the top. So it's just touching the top, right? You see that? And then you're going to twist that little tail around the big one with your hands. That's what I'm doing. I really should be using my tools with this, but I got so comfortable I forgot. You can do that part, but here comes the cleaners because he's going to keep it tight. Make it tight. And we're going to wrap. So, first of all, you know that the wire I'm using is not that hard to wrap if I just did that with my fingers. Excuse me, guys. I'm kind of getting over a little cold here. So take your alligators, aka round nose, and you're gonna grab the top. Now, the top is where we have that. Oh, I tried to zoom in, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in another time. Where we had that wrap, okay? I want a little hole. So depending on how big you want your loop, that's how you're going to position it in the alligator's mouth. The alligator's mouth, you see that? Pretend with me, you guys. Um, so we're gonna fold over. You're gonna turn up. You're gonna bring it on back. Bring it on back. Take it out so that it looks like that. Slide your pliers, your round nose right back in there. And then you're going to twist and twist and twist and twist. Okay, let me quit, y'all, because you're not going to invite me out to dance. So this is the wrap, right? Get your wire cutters. Cut as close to that wrap as you can. Do not cut the actual wrap, right? And then booyah, our cleaners come back in. And we're going to squeeze it tight like nothing ever happened. And we have our wire wrapped charm so far. Or it would be a pendant, whatever you want to call it. Now, we're going to move on. We're going to set you aside, honey bear. Grab your head pin, okay? And before you start a project, you want to make sure that your head pin is going to not flip all the way through the stone, okay, or bead or whatever you're using today. I want to use stones because I want all my natural stuff. So you see how it just stops it? This is what it looks like. So wait, hold on, you guys, because the camera don't want to act right. You better get some act right. Oh, I see it. I see it. It's glowing like a full moon. Booyah, see? You got to speak it into existence. But it stopped it. So I can't add anything else here. Okay. And that's a nice clean look. And that's cool and all that jazz. So we're going to wrap just like we just did, kind of, sort of, by placing the alligator on top of the stone. Like so. I'm waiting for my camera to adjust a little bit. It's funky today, y'all. Well, anyway, we're going to get started. Push away. Turn it up. Okay. Like that. Bring it back towards you. Like that. Okay. Wait. I really do gotta be submissive to this camera because okay, here we go. Okay, so we have that going on. You want to insert that round nose into the loop, and you can use your fingers to wrap around to the bottom of the gemstone. Grab your cleaners and squeeze it around. Well, wait, I'm gonna cut some of that off because we're doing too much. Y'all doing too much. Okay. And now squeeze it a little bit. I'm gonna hold the stone. Hold my mule, y'all. Hold my mule. I'm just kidding. Okay, you guys, I crack jokes. So we have two of our units. Easy peasy. Beautiful cover girl. Okay. So we're gonna open up our jump rings. I like them a little thick. You know what I'm saying? But you can use any size jump ring. And you're just gonna twist in opposite directions, just like that. Slide your gemstone on. And then close it back until you hear a kiss. It should be closed. If not, they're not kissing tough enough. You better talk about that relationship and that love because they might be losing it. They might be faking it till they make it. Let's do it again. Grab another. What is this called, y'all? A jump ring. Twist in opposite directions. So you have that opening. Flip your unit or your charm on to the thingy and bring it back for a kiss. Mwah. You should, in real life with Jane Pauley, you guys, you should really hear it click, okay? So sorry. we're going to take our ball chain and you're just going to slip the charms right on there. I mean, it's just that simple. And I like to use a ball chain because I don't have to worry about it coming off, um, coming apart, whatever. I take a shower. I shower with mine, you guys. So this is what the necklace looks like. Okay, simple charm necklace, you guys. Very simple. And then you'll close off that ball chain. So any questions, put it in the comment section. I'm loving these crystals, so I'll have patience and my chakras will be totally charged. I love y'all. Y'all, I thank y'all for laughing with me, having a great time. And like I said, like and subscribe to this video. I'll put links to other courses that are related to this. And you guys hit that notification bell so that you never miss a free tutorial. I said free, y'all, because you know I got some stuff you got to pay for. So this I'm teaching for free. So thank you for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next video.